Good morning, class. Today we will learn calligraphy. For calligraphy, we need one scale, pencil, flat brush, colors, color palette. We will use newspaper for practice because this lockdown situation we should save the things as much as we can or recycle the things. So students, for calligraphy we have to draw some horizontal lines with the help of scale and pencil. And now we will practice some lines with brush, like straight lines like this, and your brush tip should be on 45-degree angle. Brush should be straight and brush tip should be 45-degree angle. And now angular lines. Right side angular, horizontal lines, and curve lines. After this practice, now we'll try to make some alphabets. But before that, again we have to draw the horizontal lines with the help of scale and pencil. And students, always remember that your alphabet should touch your upper line to bottom line. And you have to draw all the alphabets. Brush should be on 45-degree angle, brush tip, and brush should be straight. And now try to make some Hindi akshar also, because the technique is same for Hindi and English. Brush should be straight and brush tip on 45-degree angle. After practice on newspaper, it's time to create the calligraphy art on fair sheet or in your sketchbook. Again, draw the horizontal lines and now try to make any word And students, now let's try another word. Any word what you like, and in this word, do it with little creativity. Like I am using two colors in this. Like I'm using blue with black. You can also try any two colors or three colors. And now I'll teach you the dry brush technique, calligraphy. You should also try this. And you can try any other style also. You can try any other technique, you can create any other style. You just have to practice as much as you can. So that's all for today's class, students. Stay home, stay safe. See you in next class.